Hello, Hebron High School students and parents. My name is Justin Fields. I'm the lead counselor here at Hebron High School. This video is an introductory video that will serve for the purpose of our virtual open house. The counseling department is ready to serve you and your student as they pursue their after high school goals. For us, for the rest of the year, we are navigating course selection for next school year, which is already well underway. You'll see on this same website a link on the left-hand side to course selection information. That is a one-stop shop with tons of resources on there, whether it is links to district websites. There are video recordings of parent presentations that we provided over the course of the early spring for you to reference. That process will really go through the rest of the year as we get things straight for next year, if you can believe it. Other things that we have going on this year, we've got everything from college visitations coming to Hebron High School during lunch. We also have testing. We have an ACT during the school day that we're going to offer to our junior students. We have the ASVAB that we're going to offer for our seniors and juniors for those that are interested in pursuing a career in the military. We have wonderful support from our student assistance counselor, Ms. Valle, who's here to support students with their personal and social needs. We have Dr. Robinson, our college and career counselor, who's also here to help brainstorm with students and help them prepare for their college goals. She works for Collin College, but is here on our campus every day and is a great resource. So please check out the website. We put a lot of time into providing good information for you to use. Also, please look us up on Twitter. @HawksCounselor is our feed, and we provide a lot of updates and reminders and links there as well that we hope you find beneficial. And if you ever need anything, you can always reach out to your student's counselor, and we will be happy to work with you as we move forward. Thank you very much.